Suzie.
One of my favorite tips as a makeup artist is to use a powder all over the face with a little bit of a diffused light in it. Many makeup artists use a mattifying powder to set the makeup at the end, but I like a little bit of that glow where the skin looks a little bit luminous. So I use a Dim Light by Hourglass, and this has a little bit of like a pearlized pink powder, but it still does what powder does. So if you take it, you can press it. I have some really hot points right here, and you can press it into any of those areas and it's still powder, but it doesn't mattify you where it takes the dimension out of your face. It still leaves the dimension and adds a really nice sheen to your skin.